Ah, crap. It's all being recorded. Welcome, everybody. I'm Jason, the creator of the Tabletop Battlefield. In case you're new here, this guy here is Nilfheim, the king of the ice dragons. I think that's how you pronounce his name. And we got some Marro warrior. So today we're talking Heroscape, the old miniatures game by Hasbro, and then eventually Wizards of the Coast. And, well, you know, there's a little story there. But a while ago, Ryan, the creator of Tales of Valhalla, a comedic stop-motion animation series set in the Heroscape universe, stopped by, and we played a few games of this, of which we recorded the battles, and, well, I took the few best battle reports, compiled them together, so we'll take a look at those fights today. You can find a link to his YouTube channel and the episodes of his series in the description of this video, and yeah, I do actually play 2 characters in that series in terms of voice acting, in case you're randomly curious for some reason. But regardless, let's actually go ahead and watch the fights. So why don't you walk us through this particular battle and the terrain, and we'll go from there.
Okay, so second terrain that we built today, we have, of course, right here in the middle, HyGround Tiles is tree fort set sitting right on top of Heroscape Tiles. I was amazed how well they just fit and blend in right with the Heroscape regular terrain. These are incomplete, of course, but you get the general idea of what these things look like. And then on this side, you have a little bit of some graveyard style terrain here. You got the coffins. You got different headstones and such. You got like a 3D printed tree here. Like I said, and all of this 3D printed. You got this wonderful little archway here. That's a tree archway. Then you got a little bit of sand desert. You got like sandstone. You got sand. You got cactuses. You have like a sandstone arch. So this is pretty much what we're playing on tonight, and it's basically going to be a shoot 'em up type battle against Marro Drudge and Marro Warriors.
Marro Warriors get 15.
17.
And just for the record, I'm aware that I'm cheating with my Marro Warrior army. Ryan says it's okay. Go ahead.
Very careful not to bump anything. Everything is complete. Another tree root, but it's hard.
Six, so 5. So like 1 right below it. 6. So I'm gonna just shoot this guy first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. See your guy. Well, nothing.
5. 2 hits.
He does not want to die. Elevated guys first. 3 attack dice because they're elevated against that guy right there.
Okay, round 1 was, well, it was tough because, given, like, I think the Dredge have a little less of advantage as far as miniatures go, and then they got the less advantage of space because it takes more effort to get this ladder than this ladder. So, needless to say, I did take out 1 miniature, but in exchange for 4 of mine getting removed, and all my guys are just here in the corner, and all my advanced miniatures are just
All right, so turn 1 of the Marro Warriors. I think it's very clear that they're a little bit more overpowered than the Drudge. I took out 4 of his. I lost 1 of mine. I basically could move more guys. I have better attack range and better defense. So it's looking pretty good for me right now. We'll see how turn 2 goes. I need to take a moment here to tactically set up my army and all my order tokens. One hit. Second attack. No hits. Wow, that would have been a nice attack roll.
We're going to die from this shot.
It just needs a little bit of paint.
This is be number 3. 1, 2. 2 hits. Shield.
Since I have both my squads removed, Jason has basically all the territory covered. My guys are backed into a corner. I'm just conceding the game to Jason because that's where it's evidently gonna go.
Yeah, the Marro Warriors, at least in this battlefield, are definitely a better point cost than the Drudge.
Oh yeah.
If they had the swamp out there where they could get a little bit better stats and dance around, maybe. But I think the Marro Warriors are still better for the point cost than the Drudge.
There's a reason on the field why they have a 1 squad limit, but we were just making an exception for this
Alright,
this
well,
playtime.
good game.
But now, what do you think of this battlefield and the terrain and stuff? The stuff is just so fun, just visually to look at.
It is a very cool battlefield. The tree tops they're pretty cool. I like to see how they all look when they're fully kitted out with all the branches and things.
Mm-hmm.
But yeah, it's definitely something different having like an elevated platforms to run around and take pot shots and things. You don't normally get that stuff in Heroscape.
We have mostly what is called from HyGround a mine shaft terrain set. You can see when it comes to mines, you got the mine carts, you got the tracks, at least most of the tracks here. Some of them aren't complete yet. You have some lava here, more mine carts, you got coal, you got different kinds of gold in these things. I cannot personally wait to print more of these and have a whole mine shaft set that just leads down to tunnels and tunnels and tunnels. So,
is any of this actual Heroscape, or is this all high
this
ground?
is all high ground. We are doing all high ground terrain type of night right tonight. For armies that we're playing with, we have a Deathwalker 9000, 2 squads of Setting Guards, and Deathwalker 7000. The next army, we have other Soulborgs, Major Q9, Major X17, and then Blastotrons, and we do, the normal Blastotron squad amount is 4, but I added 2 more just to even out the point values of both armies. This is still 10 points less, but at least it's a little bit more even. One of the main objectives for this game is the fact that there is only one way leading to high ground, and it's this walkway here. So that will be kind of an important thing for us to get to if height is our objective.
Alright, so playing the bad guy Soulborgs is a little bit tricky because they all have 1 wound, but lots of defense dice. So it's a bit of a crapshoot to hopefully you block everything or you die. So I gotta be careful how I move my guys up, but of course the big thing I gotta do is these 2 people work together in terms of range boost. And so I want to make sure the little guys stay with the big bad guy, get longer range, and hopefully outshoot him throughout the game.
I don't want to take it out, but you can see that it is 20 in there.
Alright, that is barely 20. I'll give it to you.
Yeah.
Alright, first turn, Ryan, go.
Let's see if we can get lucky. This comes down to pure luck.
And that's not pure luck.
No, that's the reason why I wear this shirt. Talking strategy in the first round, basically what I wanted to do was done. I had a major Q9 basically establish a little stomping ground there to get in anybody's way that would try and gain the high ground, and then got Major X17 in the path of some of Jason's figures, kind of blocking them up from moving forward. They won't be able to move until they get rid of Major X17 because of one of Major X17's abilities improves Cyber Claw. So that was kind of my strategy at the beginning, kind of slow things down for Jason and then try and get more of my figures up on the high ground.
So yeah, I shot stuff. I didn't do any damage, but I tried, and that's basically my strategy. And also run him up there to punch something. It also didn't work. But, you know, hey.
This is going to be a game of a lot of huge dice rolls.
It will be. All right.
All right.
Turn 2.
Turn 2. Two hits.
Fire at that guy. Bonus attack is going to target 2.
This is what they call them, shorted out.
Follow the lava.
All shields. So he
had to do that now.
saved.
He's dead. This one right here?
Yep. Nothing.
2 hits.
Major Q9. 4 at a time for him. Oh no.
Nothing yet. So, end of turn 3, going to turn 4. Go ahead,
So
Ryan.
I'm doing my best 10 points under announcing.
I would say that right now Jason has a little bit of advantage because of some very good dice rolls on his part and very bad dice rolls on mine. I was able to take out a Zedian Guard, but he's taken out all my Blastotrons with the ability of Deathwalker 9000, which I forgot that you shouldn't gather together in one spot because Deathwalker 9000 will eradicate all of you. I should have kept them all separated. Oh well, and then we only have a few life points left on the majors, so we'll see how this round goes.
The bad guy Soulborg, like I said, it's a bit of a crapshoot with the dice, and initially didn't go too well for me in the first turn. I lost 2 guys, but that's Ryan mentioned. That turn was pretty good for defense dice, and Deathwalker did a really good job with his explosion shots. So I've kind of turned things around, countering the terrain advantage he had on the board, as well as the I don't know, something else I want to complain about, who knows. But regardless, see if we can go into turn 4, and maybe I can wrap this game up. Maybe?
2.
10.
Right.
1.
1 shield.
If you're going to fire point blank at X17.
1 shield.
When rolling defense dice against a normal attack, adds 4 dice. Oh,
Yeah.
sweet mercy. Okay.
2 shields. Two shields.
Go out with a bang and fire my explosive attack at you. That negates your melee special attack. 2 hits.
It takes me out. Nope. Well, that was pretty thrilling. In order for Deathwalker to cancel out the melee defense, he decided to go with his special attack, which in turn has an opportunity to blow the Deathwalker 9000 up as 2. And so first I rolled my defense shield, and it did kill him. But at the same time, Jason rolled. It was just 1 hit, right?
It was 1 hit.
Just
Yep.
1 hit, and Deathwalker got taken out as well. So the only miniature left standing is Major Q9. So this is for Vidar. Vidar wins this time.
All right. Good game.
Very good game.
Well, there we go. Those are the 2 good battle reports in terms of how things turned out audio quality wise. Hopefully you guys enjoyed that. If you want to see us make some more things like this, go ahead and put a comment down in the video, and we will see if that may be something we could possibly get to in the not too distant future. By not too distant future, I mean next year sometime. But anyway, thanks for watching. Once again, I'm Jason, the creator of the Tabletop Battlefield. If you want to find a link to Ryan's show, you can do so in the description of this video. I think I'll also drop the Facebook page for his show as well down there, so you can check those things out. But with that, hit subscribe. Like is kind of, I really don't think it's that important, to be honest with you, for the YouTube algorithm. If you made it this far, you're doing a lot more for the YouTube algorithm, my videos, and hitting the like button as far as I can tell from my research and data, but you know, those things change from time to time. But other than that, have a great week.